All right, the long-awaited possibility to record your Google Meets. Now, I looked far and wide on YouTube for a way to do this in the past, and it looks like previously all you were able to do was to download these Chrome extensions and change a bunch of settings on Chrome, and then once you get into Google Meet, you have to click all these buttons or whatever. But now it is in Google Meet, and there was no videos on YouTube, which is why I'm making this video, because that's what this channel is. It's me making videos of stuff that I'm trying to figure out that I cannot find on YouTube. So here we go. Let's get into it. So I'll drag this down. I'll get my face out of the way. Now, first thing you'll do, go to meet.google.com. This is basically Google's option to pretty much replace Zoom. Okay. The cool thing about Google Meet is that it's free, and until now, Zoom was better because you could record your meetings, but now Google Meet also has that. So let's see how that looks for you guys. So this is what the screen will look like if you're new to Google Meet. You'll click on New Meeting right here, and you can just go ahead and click Start an Instant Meeting for this tutorial. All right, once you're in, this is what it looks like. Let's see, let's get this out of the way. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's basically my Loom thing telling me to stop sharing my screen. Okay, so this is what it'll look like. You got, similar to Zoom, you've got your microphone, your camera. These aren't settings. This will actually just turn it off and on. So it's different in Zoom from Zoom in that way. But what you can do is, find the options here. If you need to change your camera or your microphone, you can do that right here in the settings, audio, video, whatever. Okay, so you're probably wondering, where is the record button? Because it's not down here. Currently, right now, it is over here under these tabs. This one right here that says activities, you'll click on that. This is where you can do your breakout rooms, your Q&As, your polls. And then right here it says recording. Under that, another cool feature, which I didn't tell you about, is transcripts. So not only do you get to record your meetings, Google will also automatically transcribe your meeting for you. So it's super cool, and it automatically will put it into a Google Drive for you. So record your video call. The recording will be saved in Pat Phelps's Meet Recordings folder in Google Drive. Now, since I clicked recording, right here you will see where it says select a language for captions. I'm basically just going to hit that and click English, and then I'm going to click this check mark that says also start a transcript. So it's going to record it and transcribe this meeting in Google Meet. So I'll hit start, make sure everybody's ready, everybody's good, and boom, up here in the top left, you will see that it is recording and it is transcribing. So we'll do a test. Test 1, 2. This is the channel Learning Tech. Basically what we do on this channel is I guess it's just me right now, whatever. Maybe I'll have a team later. But all I do is, if I can't find something that I need to figure out on YouTube, I will figure it out myself and make a video about how I figured it out and put it on YouTube. So that's all this channel is. And that's the end of the test. We'll go ahead and end this meeting. Okay, and so boom, return to home screen, we're done. Meeting's over. Now we will go to our Google Drive. Now I will say, so I'm just on my Google Drive. I'll hit recents. I've already done this a couple of times just because I was testing it out. It does take like 5 to 10 minutes for all of this stuff to like be uploaded into your drive here. So I won't show that on this video because I don't have much time left, but your videos will pop up and the transcription. It's not a perfect transcription, but it definitely will get you the majority of what the information is. So that's it for this video, and I appreciate you guys hanging out. And if you like the channel so far, even though this is my first video, then subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.